have made coconut halwa. This is my product. I mean, thank you so much for making this an easy journey for people, especially women who are working 9 to 5 and can't want to also simultaneously eat home food. So this is going to make our life easier.
On the coconut halwa. Go ahead.
Oh, I can start?
You can start. That's let's say making you cook. So
Achha.
go ahead. So you can check ingredients if you want to. So this is a customization screen. Let's say this one comes along with the default for the recipe. Let's say, for example, if a chef made, all these recipes are somebody made them. Made them, right. So some chef may, let's say, according to him the spiciness may be 4. According to him the oiliness may be something. Now you want to change. If you want to change it, you can just scroll it and it will kind of increase or decrease.
I think people will use this the most when they want to put the
oilless little bit use. So it's up to you. You can go forward and then you can go next.
One, huh?
Yeah.
Brown sugar 1 cup. Khoya done. Nice.
So it will automatically take the heating steps and go forward.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
So it finished the first one, it will start sauteing. If the heat is also done right, and start smelling it. Sitting? Good.
Oh, finished cooking?
Yeah, finished cooking.
Try karoon?
Try karoon. Let's say we'll see. Yeah.
See?
This is your
Completely
made by you.
Made by
Powered by Clink.
You wanna try? First of all, thank you so much, Clink, for giving me this opportunity to make coconut halwa. So I can tomorrow say that I have made coconut halwa. This is my product. And it hardly took us 15 minutes to do the entire process, from the pre-cooking, during cooking and post-cooking, eating as well. And yeah, that's all. I mean, thank you so much for making this an easy journey for people, especially women who are working 9 to 5 and can't want to also simultaneously eat home food. So this is going to make our life easier.